These are like very quick selling products. That's why we have the full stock of it. Let me show you the mirror earring. This is like hot selling product. This mirror earring, which you have seen, we have put it on sale. Can you see? Am I audible to you? Just comment below like yes or no. Is everything is clear to you all? Just see. Now let me show you some beautiful stuff. See, this is like just very low prices product. See. Thank you for putting so many hearts. Thank you. These we have. Now let me show you some hot selling products. This, have you seen, you guys just check this earring on any other page. If somebody is giving lower than me, you can have your money back with the product. I guarantee you, like nobody will provide you this earring at the rate I am providing you. The reason behind it, like I am doing manufacturing of this product, so that's why my rates are low. And you can check evenly of 1100 they are selling on other pages. You can check. See, we have so many earrings of it. Guys, if you like, you want something else in the collection, you can just ping me. Okay, I will just try to bring those kind of. These are all the order products which you guys have ordered. See, this is a choker with the kundan choker with the earrings. It is just of 210 rupees. I don't think so 210 rupees is that much. Like you cannot spend on with the choker with the earring. The quality is super, that is guaranteed. You can see that is the lock one 3-layer necklace. That is the order product. That is the mirror earring. Somebody has ordered for themselves, like I don't remember the names, I cannot spell out that. Mirror earrings. And this is our evil eye necklace. Can you see? You know what guys, no filter, nothing for like changing the colors. Everything is like raw, no editing in the videos. Just mirror earrings. Mirror choker with earrings, just 210 rupees, not much, just 210 rupees. You can see that earring. These all are ordered. Sorry for the same, because I don't see. These are the layer necklace. Okay, this is the bracelet. This is the adjustable bracelet. Can you see, or should I open up the packing? If you want anything, you like something, just take the screenshot. It's just a quick live, just I want to show it with you all. Okay, this is the, wait, let me show you. This is the butterfly necklace which you all get. It's super lightweight, super comfortable to wear. It comes with the earrings, small earrings. Can you see? Yeah, I think everything is visible. Okay, this is the 5-layer necklace. Just check out the quality of the product. Just wait 1 second. Yeah, see what else we, okay, yeah, we have this beautiful anklet. Let me show you 1 second. Everything is so messed up because it was not planned live, it was just a quick live. See, just again. And yeah, this was the bangles which yesterday was on sale. Sorry guys, if you want to order it, I don't have, because it is gone out of stock. That I haven't expected that much of good response on it. Thank you for it, because it is a AD bangles. I don't remember the name. I think Neha or something has ordered for it. Okay, that was the choker set which was on sale. These all are sale items. Like first of all guys, thank you so much for such a good response you have gave me on the sale. Like that was, to be honest, that was all unexpected, because that was not planned. That this is the gold plating bracelet. Can you see? It is so super comfortable to wear. See, let me show you some other products too. Yeah, these are the layer bracelets. These are the layer bracelets. Sorry, everything. These are the bracelet. I think this is really messed up. See, these all are the order products. Yeah, somebody's ordered for this. Earrings. Yesterday it was on sale, like 160 rupees just. Okay, just let me show you the bracelet. That is the layer bracelet. Okay, yeah, this was the another beautiful piece. Charm with two charms. Can you check it out? You can wear it daily. I think it's very good, like cute bracelet, gold plating bracelet.